Hello everybody, welcome to another Plum Crazy adventure. Today we are going to be showing you the Springhill Suites by Marriott here in Flamingo Crossing. Now, if that sounds familiar to you, we actually stayed at the sister resort Town Place Suites by Marriott last year, and we had the opportunity to be able to come down here and stay for a couple of days and thought what better way to experience this fantastic property than to check out the sister resort Springhill Suites by Marriott. And I can't wait to show you this hotel, so let's get in here. So these hotels do share one main entrance, and then there are also a couple of side entrances. That is right here on Hartsog Road, also Flamingo Crossing Road if you are using a GPS. Now, I will say, really like both of these properties actually. They share a pool, they also share Flamingo's Bar and Grill, and very nice bar and grill there too actually. Now as we head up into the hotel itself, as you can see, very nice large portico area that you can park under. They also do have some registration parking if it looks a little full here. You got here right at normal check-in time, which is currently 4 p.m. Checkout is at 11 a.m. but shouldn't have any issues whatsoever getting in here in order to get checked in and unloaded. Should also not have any issues with parking, although as of December 2022 they are charging $10 a day for parking, so make sure that you budget that into your vacation. Here we go, first look at the lobby. I do want to point out really quickly, luggage carts, they have a lot of them, don't be afraid to use those. And here we are. So right over here is your check-in on the left, and then your elevators, which I will show you in a bit. And it is December, so look at that. I love that Christmas tree. It is so beautiful. We head over towards the right. You'll see ample seating areas, places to relax while you're waiting on your free shuttle to take you to Disney property. That's a pretty nice feature that they're currently offering. And then all the way over here is their business center. So if you need to print off anything, luggage tags or something for your airline, you can definitely do that here. And then another thing I really like, they are very forward with all of their charging needs, so you will see charging stations all over the place in here. So Flamingo's Coffee Bar is currently open. They proudly serve Starbucks. And then if we look over here, this is part of the seating area that you would have available for your use for breakfast. So breakfast is served Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and then Saturday and Sunday, 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Now I did get breakfast both days we were here. I do have some footage of the breakfast area. The only thing I was missing was the coffee bar that they have, because all of us needed our coffee. But they are in the middle of cleaning over here, so I don't want to disturb them. But as you can see, more than enough seating for you to be able to get a nice breakfast to start your day. As you can see, you can pick up your plates here, and then there's some yogurts as well as some cereals. You know Nick has a bunch of those Fruit Loops. There's also milk dispensers, and then fresh fruits, which I always like being able to get a fresh banana. Here is your butter as well as your cream cheese if you want bagels. They also, of course, had some Smucker's jellies and Jif peanut butter, and then an assortment of pastries. Right over here, they also had some hot food items, I apologize, and scrambled eggs each day. There was also some sausage this day. There was bacon yesterday morning. And then under the third, there is some sausage links. And then we also had some quiches available the day before. So they do change it up a little bit for you. There's some more muffins and sweets. And then over here is where you can grab your apple juice, orange juice, or water if you want any of those. And then the toaster so that you can toast those bagels. Of course, you can't be close to Disney property without having some Mickey waffles. So they do have some Mickey waffle irons here if you wanted to make some mini Mickey waffles. And then there are some things that you can do in order to dress up your waffles or even your oatmeal. This is a really big thing anymore, guys. Definitely dressing up the oatmeal. As you can see, I got some scrambled eggs and bagels with some cream cheese and sausage links. That tends to be my go-to every time we go and we stay in a hotel. I've got to get myself a bagel and cream cheese. And of course, there is apple juice, and we love having some apple juice. So, restrooms for the lobby are tucked away in the corner over here. Good to know. And they also do have some meeting spaces if you want to have, maybe you have a small group going and you need a meeting space, or some kind of a business meeting. They do offer opportunities for that. So that's really nice to know. Now I will say I'm actually going this way because I want to show you the guest laundry. Because it is a really nice sized guest laundry in here, and it's just off of the pool, so if you wanted to wash your things after the pool, you could do so. But washer cycles are 30 minutes, dryer 60 minutes. They can get you some supplies up at the front desk. As you can see, several washing machines and dryers, and a nice little area for you to be able to sit down while you're waiting on stuff, or get some things folded. So definitely really nice section, and I like that they also have a change machine because, let's face it, we very rarely go on vacation with a bunch of change with laundry in mind. So I am currently on the back side of the pool area, and before we go into the pool area, I just wanted to show you these really nice outdoor loungers that they have through here. So definitely plenty of outdoor space in order to be able to relax, take a little bit of a load off, and I like that they have it kind of blocked off a little bit so that you get a little bit of privacy as well. Right over there is the fitness center, which people are working out, so I will not be showing that. And then this beautiful pool area, which is shared along with the fitness center and the arcade with Town Place Suites, but you never really feel like you're having to share it with another hotel because it's never super busy, which I really like. As you can see, it goes steps on this side and then a zero entry over on the other side by the Flamingos Bar and Grill, which I will be showing you a little bit of in just a minute. But before we go any further, I did want to show you, they do have barbecue grills over here, as well as some seating. That's good to know. And then there is also a game room, open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. And although it's not very big, they've got a lot of things in here that could make your kid kind of get off your case for a little bit and give them a little bit to do. Of course, I think every arcade has to have something Jurassic Park, am I right? Just another look at this beautiful pool, which I do want to point out, it is heated because when we used it our first night here, I was a little worried about like the air temperature because it was, I don't know, 65, which is nothing for us, but when you got a little bit of a wind going and then you're in water, it's chilly. So definitely very glad that we got to experience it and that it was heated. Over here, towels for the hotel patrons. You can use them from either side. You can see there's another set over there. And they do request no glass of any kind, no running. Place your trash where it belongs. All same stuff that you should do anyway. Now I will say, this fire at night is so cozy and so inviting that I was never able to get a shot of it without somebody being there. And then as you can see, Flamingos will be opening at noon, but burgers, quesadillas, wings, steaks, salads, and then they have this outdoor bar area, kind of like a pool bar. Very nice, and definitely well worth it, especially if you're coming in and you just want to be able to relax, settle into your hotel, not go anywhere. This is a great option. You can also, maybe after a park day, or maybe you're having a pool day, you can enjoy your pool and then get food over there. So they have a rice and Irby's, which is frozen yogurt, and you can get it from these little robots. It's so cute. I swear this elevator likes me. Unfortunately, we did not get to do Hollywood Studios this trip, but this is a good segue to let you know that this is a partner hotel, so we can do a vacation package where you stay here. It's directly through Disney, and they're currently offering a free shuttle service, which is really, really nice. So you don't have to drive to the parks. They do all that for you. Here we are. We are located at 1241. I do want to say this really confused me. We're actually on the second floor. I'm not quite sure what the 1 stands for, but you're going to have a 1 in front of every room number. So we're on the second floor, and this is the 41st room. Okay, so we just got our stuff up to our room here at Springhill Suites Flamingo Crossing. Nick has decided that his shoes do not belong on the floor. They belong in an empty drawer. Whatever. As you can see, very nice couch, which will pull out into a sofa, which Nick will be sleeping on tonight. And tomorrow night. We're here for 2 nights. There is also a nice little desk area, which is sectioned off. I like that. And then, as you can see, our TV with drawers underneath, which Nick has already graciously decided to put stuff in.
This room comes with shoes.
We also have a nice king-size bed. Excited about that.
Got plug-ins on both sides of the lamp. On and off switch for instant on lighting.
Oh, instant, huh? And then, as you can see, AC unit. Oh, we do have reader lights. That's nice. And then a separate table on this side, which is nice and helpful. Full-length mirror, because we all need one of those before we go. And decent-sized closet right here.
Nice ironing board, iron.
Yeah.
With hangers. That's good.
I will say we're on the second floor. Apparently, they don't like us a whole lot here, though, because this is the second time that we've stayed. We were over at Town Place Suites, which is literally right next door, and they gave us a room that had no view. And we have one today with no view. But that's not why we're staying here, huh? Nope.
Nope. Bed test.
Oh, we're doing the bed test already, halfway through room tour. I like it.
Are you ready?
Ready, set, go.
All right, go. Bed test. Fall back.
Whee! Is it good?
Is it good? Is it good? Awesome, Mom.
I'm the boy.
Awesome boy. Oh boy. All right. Let's go ahead and get in here. I do like the sliding door, barn door effect for the bathroom. Oh, careful, Nick. Please don't fall off of that. And then this is actually a decent sized bathroom, and I'm echoing. So, toilet, don't need to say a whole lot about that.
Takes a lot of food.
There is a sink with plenty of room on either side for all of your toiletries, and then decent sized walk-in shower. That's really nice, actually.
System pressure. Nice.
There we go.
Adjustable.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, and it's working, and my feet are getting wet.
Of course they are. So overall, pretty decent room. I will say that it's probably due for some minor upgrades compared to some of the other Marriotts that we've stayed in recently, but overall I think it's pretty nice, especially with being a Springhill. And oh, I totally forgot. Do not judge us for our luggage. But right over here, this is where your microwave is, as well as your coffee maker and your mini fridge. So they do have all of those amenities too. So consider to have like a mini kitchenette, basically, is what they consider this. So you can definitely do some meals here if you so choose to. You just don't have a stove.
Nope.
Well guys, this is going to wrap up our video of the Springhill Suites by Marriott here at Flamingo Crossing. I think this is a great partner hotel. They have a lot of really great amenities. Breakfast is great. They have a fantastic pool. If staying on property isn't in the cards, whether it's budget or even there's other things you're wanting to do, so you don't want to be on property the whole time, for Walt Disney World, I think this is a really great option. I really like this one. I like the sister hotel right next door, Town Place Suites, a lot as well. So it gives you a little bit of room, definitely decent amenities and everything for your budget. So highly recommend this one. If you like this video, please be sure to go ahead and hit that like button and follow our page so that you see when we upload new videos. Also follow us on all of our socials. And if you haven't done so already, definitely give us a comment. Let us know where you're from. We always like being able to see that. And with all of that being said, are you guys ready for your next Plum Crazy adventure? Because I know I'm ready to get you here in sunny Florida.